Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you are broke? Guess what? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can travel to Spain for free. If this is something that you are interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new to this channel, by all means, introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you and I want to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your love. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for always sharing my videos. And thank you for always leaving beautiful comments for your girl on this channel. And if you're new here, please don't forget to do the same thing. Like this video, share this video, and tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And above all, please introduce yourself in the comments. This is not just one random channel. This is not just like every other channel. I really want to know you. I'm building a community here. So it's not just about me coming to share scholarship opportunities here. I really and truly want to interact with you guys. I want to know you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Miriam. I'm a wife. You see, I'm introducing myself too, so please introduce yourself as well. My name is Miriam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, and I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every single week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and that is about it. So let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. So besties, do you know that Spain offers a growing number of fully funded scholarships and tuition-free opportunities for international students? Yes, so especially through government programs and top universities. And here is a breakdown of some of the leading schools and scholarship programs that are offering full tuition. Yes, so here are the top universities in Spain that are offering these scholarships. The first one on my list is University of Barcelona. Yes, so they offer scholarship through the Spanish government, MAEC, AECID, and Erasmus. Yes, so, and the fields are humanities, sciences, business, and engineering. Scholarships may cover tuition, living expenses, and travel. So besties, welcome back to my channel where we turn ambition into action and dreams into degrees. If you have ever, imagined studying in Spain, surrounded by culture, creativity, and academic excellence, then today's spotlight is for you because we are talking about the University of Barcelona. Yes, so, and the scholarships that can help you study there. So besties, you can study in Spain for free. Now, the University of Barcelona Scholarship 2026 is now open. The University of Barcelona is one of Spain's most prestigious public universities, and it is ranked among the top in Europe for medicine, for humanities, for economics, for law and science, and it is located in the heart of Barcelona. UB offers a world-class education, and of course, they offer scholarships and financial aid for international students that can cover full tuition, living expenses, and more. Now, what scholarships are available? You might be wondering. Here is a breakdown of the key funding opportunities at UB. So guys, University of Barcelona Institutional Scholarship is available for master's, for bachelor's degree, and PhD students. They cover tuition fees, and in some cases, they also cover accommodation and living costs. See, it is based on academic merit, financial need, and program type. They also have the MAEC AECID Spanish Government Scholarship. It is offered in partnership with UB. They cover full tuition, monthly stipend, travel costs. They prioritize students from Latin America, from Africa, and from Asia. And then the third one is Erasmus Mobility Grants. For students participating in exchange or joint programs, they cover tuition, travel, and monthly stipend. It is ideal for students who want to study across multiple European countries. They also have the UB Collaboration and Research Scholarship. It's available for master's and PhD students. They offer tuition support and paid research or departmental work. It is also great for students who want to gain experience while studying. Now, who can apply? Do you know that these scholarships are open to non-EU international students, especially people that are applying for full-time degree-seeking programs? So whether you're coming from Latin America, whether you're coming from Africa, whether you're from Kenya, Nigeria, Botswana, South Africa, anywhere in Africa or Asia, or the Middle East, you are eligible to apply. UB also partners with global scholarship platforms like Scholarships World, like Global Scholarships, and University Living, where you can find updated listings and the deadline. And here is how you should apply. Now, this is your action plan. Choose your program first and foremost. Visit UB's official website and explore their bachelor's, master's, and PhD offerings. Then prepare your documents. Yes, you will need transcripts, passports, proof of language proficiency, and a strong personal statement. And make sure that you apply before the deadline, because most scholarships applications, they open in late fall and they close in early spring. So check for additional requirements because some scholarships may ask for proof of income, academic ranking, or research proposals. And don't worry, I have templates, yes, so and guys to help you build a winning application. So the question is this: why choose the University of Barcelona? Let's talk about the experience. See, University of Barcelona offers top-tier academics with global rankings in medicine, in law, and humanities. They have modern campuses spread across Barcelona's cultural districts. And they also have international student support and multicultural community. And they also have affordable living costs compared to other European capitals. Plus, you will be studying in Barcelona, a city that is full of art, opportunity, and global connections. So yes, guys, if you are ready to study in Spain, if you're ready to get funded, and if you're ready to build your future, the University of Barcelona is waiting for you. Make sure that you check out the scholarship links in my description and let me know in the comments if you want help. If you need help choosing the program or preparing your application, do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to share this video with someone that needs it. I've actually got more videos coming your way on scholarships, on grants, and how to study abroad without breaking the bank. Until next time, stay bold, stay brilliant, and let's get you funded. So if you're new here, please introduce yourself in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And to all of my returning subscribers, I want to say big thank you. You guys are just amazing. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your incredible support. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you. And if you are new here, I'm waiting for you. Introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you and I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? Now, here are some tips that will help you to win your application, to land yourself a scholarship. Please include all of your past volunteer activities that you've ever done. Include everything in your statement of purpose. I'm telling you, all of these actually count. Yes, they count. Whether in your workplace during your NYSC, or in church, or in your mosque, or in your local community. Or is there someone that you've always helped? There's someone in your local community that needed help and you helped them. You were there. So go ahead and put it in your application. Or maybe you helped to build boreholes, or you helped to contribute money for boreholes, or maybe you helped to feed the poor. Maybe you organize the food bank, or you're part of a committee that organizes the food bank. Put it in your application. Show that you care. Show that you are there to add value. You are someone that typically gravitates towards helping other people. So show them that you are not just a parasite. You're not just there to steal their education, to get their education for free. You're also there to give back as well. So all of these strengthen your application process. And if you need help with your application one way or the other, you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. Join my Patreon community, or you can join my channel membership, and you're on your way to getting that admission of your dreams. And not just all. Studying abroad also gives you an opportunity, especially in this country, gives you an opportunity to meet your future partner. Yes, so if you're single, you don't know, you might meet your husband or your wife in these schools. Yes, when you travel abroad, and you also get lifelong friendship. You build friendships that last for a lifetime. You also get experiences that you can't get from watching the movies. Yes, this is a real life experience that you get. If at all you decide to go back to your home country, you are now more equipped. You're going to be hired as an expatriate. Yes. So, and a lot of companies are looking for people with international exposure, with international experience, international learning experience. So all of these things count towards your admission success and scholarship. So if this video has blessed you in how we do it, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and tell a friend about this amazing opportunity. So I see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourselves and God bless you, and bye for now. Love you.